Welcome to Metropolis Resort. This fall, we're transforming you into Metropolis, your family's fright-free Halloween destination. From September through October, every corner of the resort will be filled with festive fun, colorful decorations, and plenty of surprises for all ages. Throughout the resort, you'll find Halloween decorations around every corner. From glowing pumpkins and friendly ghosts to themed touches in the hotel, Action City, Chaos Water Park, City Eats, and even our outdoor mini golf course. Don't forget to join our monster scavenger hunt. Explore the resort and see if you can find all the pieces to create your very own monster. Every Friday and Saturday night, Action City transforms for Fall Fright Nights. We'll flip on the black lights in the trampoline park and set the stage with Halloween music, glowing fun, and even glow-in-the-dark face painting, all included with your Jump and Play Pass. It's the perfect way to kick off a spooky weekend. Our staff will also be joining in on the fun with festive costumes each weekend. You never know who you might run into next. Over in Chaos Water Park, the fun keeps flowing with themed deals on swim, and even our front desk crew is joining in on the festive spirit with costumes of their own. Whether you're looking to slide, splash, or float the lazy river, Chaos is the perfect place to keep the fall vibes alive. Hungry? Don't miss our Witch's Kitchen and Witch's Brew Bar menus at City Eats. These limited time items are only here for the Halloween season. On the breakfast side, try our French toast flight with Oreo, churro, and berry toppings. Or if you're just looking for one fall flavor, try our pumpkin spice French toast. For lunch and dinner, sink your teeth into the pizza press sandwich, the Monster Burger, or our spooky shareable cheesy bread fingers. And for drinks, the Witch's Brew Bar is serving up themed cocktails like the Hocus Pocus Punch, the Black Widow, and the Spiked Spectre. Plus, a kid-friendly Monster Mash mocktail so the whole family can get in on the fun. With themed decor, seasonal eats and drinks, glowing nights in Action City, and surprises all across the resort, Metropolis is the perfect fall escape. Whether you're visiting for a few hours of play or making it a family getaway, there's always something new to discover this Halloween season. We can't wait to welcome you to Metropolis. Book your stay today and join us for a season of fright-free family fun.